How to overcome hesitation. Non-native speakers always face one common problem, that is hesitation. If you feel hesitant when you try to argue or talk to someone, here I would suggest some important tips. You need to adopt such multi-dimensional approach which could enable you to reduce or overcome it. Here are some practical steps. 1. Practice regularly. Speak as much as possible. The more you speak, the more confident you will become. Find opportunities to practice with native speakers, language exchange partners, or online platforms. Start small. Practice speaking in short sentences and gradually work your way up to more complex conversations. 2. Focus on communication, not perfection. Don't worry about making mistakes. It's more important to communicate your message than to speak perfectly. Everyone makes mistakes, even fluent speakers. Embrace mistakes as part of the learning process. When you make a mistake, correct it and move on. 3. Build vocabulary and phrases. Learn common phrases. Memorize useful sentences or phrases that you can use in everyday conversations, like greetings or asking for help. This will help reduce hesitation when you don't have to think about each word. Expand your vocabulary. The more words you know, the easier it will be to express your thoughts without pause. 4. Slow down and think ahead. Take your time. Don't rush your words. Speaking slowly gives your brain time to form sentences and helps with clarity. Plan ahead. If you're going into a conversation, think about possible topics or questions beforehand. This can reduce anxiety and hesitation. 5. Use pauses effectively. It's okay to pause. Pauses help you gather your thoughts and prevent stumbling. A brief pause is better than rushing or stuttering. Use fillers. Words like well, or let me think can give you time to think without sounding too hesitant. 6. Join group conversations or discussions. Participate in group discussions. This can help you practice speaking in a low-pressure environment. Group conversations allow for more natural interactions, and you can learn from others. Take part in language meetups. These events often have people who are in similar situations and are supportive of each other. 7. Think in English. Practice thinking in English. The more you think in English, the less likely you'll hesitate when speaking. You can do this by narrating your actions in English or imagining conversations. Avoid translating. Thinking directly in English reduces the time spent translating in your head, which can cause delays. 8. Use confidence-boosting techniques. Positive self-talk. Remind yourself that you are improving and that it's normal to feel nervous. The more positive thoughts you have, the more confident you'll become. Visualize success. Picture yourself speaking confidently and fluently in different situations. 9. Record and listen to yourself. Record your speaking. Listening to recordings of yourself can help identify areas for improvement and boost your confidence over time. Watch or listen to English content. Watching movies, TV shows, or podcasts in English helps you get used to the rhythm and flow of the language. 10. Join public speaking or debate clubs. Practice in a supportive environment. Clubs like Toastmasters allow you to practice speaking in front of others in a friendly and encouraging environment. Public speaking will help you build confidence. By applying these strategies and